What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm going to show you 10 coins that once they go back to the all-time high, they will do a 10x. Okay guys, bear in mind this is not financial advice and they might not hit the 10x. Okay, but one thing is for sure, when the bull run comes, these coins, they will pump. Okay, and these coins that I'm going to talk about today, they are on my list. Okay, so the first one up is Chronos. Okay, Chronos, I hold Chronos, as you can see right here. I have 8,103 Chronos, and I have staked on a crypto.com chain. Okay, and I'm earning Chronos every day. Okay, so all-time high is 96 cents. Okay, so currently Chronos is trading at 0.08. Okay, so if he does a 10x or if he goes to all-time high again, okay, that's going to be more than a 10x. So if you do a 10x, that will be 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents is not even an all-time high. Okay, so Chronos can do a 10x and it's down 91.45% from its all-time high. So what is Chronos? Okay, Chronos or Crowcoin is the token for the crypto.com platform. It has three main functionalities: trading, payment, and financial services. Okay, so if you want to know more about Chronos, I will leave the link for this CoinGecko. And then all you gotta do is come over here, hit Chronos, and find out more information about the project. Okay, so Chronos currently trading at 0.08, and if you buy now and if it goes to all-time highs, you will make more than a 10x. Okay, so next one in line, we have the Clayton Token. Okay guys, okay, Clayton Token is currently trading at 0.29 and the all-time high is 4.34 bucks. So it's down 93.15%. Okay, so if you do a 10x right now, it's just only going to be 2.9. Okay, and it's not even close to the all-time high. Okay, so you can do almost a 20x on this coin. And as you can see right here, I have also the Clay token right there. Okay, not much. Okay, but if I say, let's say I have 241 right now, and if I do a 10x, this is going to be 2,041 bucks. Same goes to Chronos. Okay, so 671 invested. So if I do a 10x, there's going to be 6.71k. Okay, 6,700 bucks. Okay, just from 671 bucks invested. Okay, that's why I like to DCA when I have some spare cash, because all these coins, they have the potential to go up, right? They have a potential to go up, and if they do go up, we're gonna make money on the next bull run. Next one up is Seller Network. Okay, so Seller is currently trading at 0.024. Okay, and the all-time high is 0.19. Okay, so this one is not really close to a 10x, but it's not really a 10x, but it's close to a 10x. So you're gonna do probably 8 or 9x if this coin goes to its all-time high. Okay, so where is Seller? Let's find more information about there. Where is it? Right here. So, I had information somewhere. I had information about these things somewhere. Okay. No. So Seller Network is a coherent technology and economic architecture that to enable internet scale public blockchains through off-chain scaling techniques. Okay, in the scale out of billions to it can scale out to billions of transactions per second and will fully unleash the power of blockchain and decentralized applications. Okay, so this is Seller. Then again, guys, all the links for these coins going to be in the description below. If you're going to check them out, go ahead and check them out. You got the info right here: smart contracts, websites, white paper, and everything else. Okay, guys. So next one up, we have Which one is this one? Sand. Okay, Sand. A lot of people been talking about Sand, and you know, it might be a good gamble to bet on this one. So rank number 33, and Sand is currently trading at 0.75 cents. All-time high is 840 bucks. Okay, so if you do a 10x right now, it's going to be 750. It's not even going to hit the all-time high. Okay, so 10x right there. Right. So where is Sand? Sand is a decentralized community-owned virtual world. Creators can host custom games and events on the virtual world. Okay, simple as that. And then again, guys, more information about Sand right here. Okay, I'm just want to keep this video brief and give you information, a brief information about these coins and why I decided to DCA on these coins. Next one up, we have Sushi. Okay, Sushi is currently trading at 143 and the all-time high is 23.38. Okay, so if you buy Sushi now and if you do 10x, okay, so that will be 14.30 cents. Okay, it's 14.30 cents. It's not even all-time high. It's going to be halfway through. Okay, guys, so there's a potential here. Right? So where is Sand, or is Sushi? I mean, Sushi is a DeFi protocol that is completely community driven, serving up delicious interest for your held crypto assets. Okay, more information about Sushi right here. Next one up, we have the Moonbeam. Okay, Moonbeam is currently trading at 0.49 cents. Okay, and the all-time high is 19.50. Okay, so it's down 97.46%. Okay, guys, so if you buy now and if you do 10x, so that's just going to be $4.90. Okay, it's not even it's just going to be 1/5 or 1/4 of the all-time high. Okay, it's going to be a quarter of the all-time high, because to hit the all-time high you have to do 40x. A 40x, that's a lot. Okay, so if you invest now, let's say $100, and if you do 10x, that will be $1,000. Okay, simple. Okay, but you know, you might have to wait a few months or a few years, okay, till the next bull run comes. Okay, but it's an investment, right? So what is the Moonbeam? And you can find more information about Moonbeam right here. Moonbeam is a network. Moonbeam Network is a smart contract platform for building cross-chain connected apps that can access users' assets and service on Ethereum and more. Okay, next one up, we have the Filecoin. Okay, so Filecoin is currently trading at 787. Okay, all-time high is 236 bucks. Okay, so if you buy now and if you do 10x, it's only going to be 78 bucks. Okay, it's not even going to be close. Okay, if you want to hit all-time high, you'll have to do a 30x from now. Okay, you'll have to do a 30x. Okay, and then again, guys, it's a gamble, but if they do pump, you know, close to all-time high, you know, we're making back. We making bank right here. Okay, what is Filecoin? Filecoin. I don't know how to pronounce this. Filecoin. I'll call it Filecoin. Filecoin is a decentralized storage network based on the interplanetary file storage (IPFS) protocol. It is designed to utilize and use storage globally into an efficient storage market for users to pay for low-cost storage. Okay, it's like it's gonna be like Google Cloud, Dropbox X. Okay, guys. Next one up, we have IOTA or IOTA. I don't know how to pronounce this thing, but there you go. Currently trading at 0.25 cents, and the all-time high is 5.25. Okay, so if you do a 10x right now, it's going to be only 2.50. Okay, 2.50, so it's going to be halfway through. So if you want to hit the all-time high, is 20x. Okay, we are 20x from all-time high, and it's currently at current rank is 75. And what is IOTA? You can find information about IOTA right here. So IOTA is an open and feeless data and value transfer protocol. The IOTA Foundation is re-engineered distributed ledger technology from the ground up, making the secure exchange of both value and data possible. IOTA is an open source and doesn't require fees. Okay, next one up is the ICP, Internet Computer. Okay, currently trading at 675, and if you check the all-time high is a whooping 700 bucks. Woo! That's a lot of dough. Okay, imagine holding these. Okay, 10 of these, and you do a 10x. Okay, so if you hold 10 ICP tokens, and if they hit all-time high, you're gonna be sitting around 7,000 bucks. Okay, 7,000 bucks from investing only 70 bucks right now. Okay, so if you buy 10 tokens, so each token will cost you 675. So you invest 77. So you invest 67.5 bucks. Okay, and if this thing hits all-time high again, you know your 67. It's a 10x. Simple, guys. That simple, right? This is crazy. What the Filecoin ICP? So the Internet Computer Blockchain incorporates a radical rethink of blockchain design, powered by innovations and cryptography. Okay, it provides the first world computer blockchain that can be used to build almost any Web 2.0 online system or service and Web 3 service, including Web 3 social media service, without any need for centralized traditional IT such as cloud computing service. Okay, you can build DeFi projects, NFTs, games, social media, metaverse, etc. Okay, guys. More information about ICP right here. And last, we have Algorand or Algo. Okay, currently trading at 0.27. Okay, and all-time high from Algo is 356. Okay, so if you buy 100 bucks now, and if you do a 10x in 6 months time, you're only going to be at 2.70. Okay, not even close to all-time high. Okay, so as you can see, guys, all these coins that I mentioned today, they all have a potential to hit 10 or more X's from the all-time high. So what we're waiting now is we are waiting for the next bull run, which will happen within the next year and a half. Within the next 18 months, the next bull run, it will happen. And I'm expecting at least to make a 5x from my DCAs. Okay, as you can see right here, you can see my portfolio, you can see which coins that I'm invested in, and all the coins that I spoke today, you know, I holding them. Okay, even though I'm not holding it much. Okay, like Phil 123, IOTA 122, ICP, you know, 112. Okay, even though I don't hold much, right? I hold something, and if I do a 10x in all my portfolio, okay, so my 6.6k will be 66k. Okay, simple as that, right? So that's just from me doing DCAs. Okay, DCA, it's the main thing that you should do. Buy bit by bit. You don't have to buy in bulk. You know, buy one bit today when the price goes down. So what I do is I come over here to the price, 24-hour price. I click over here whenever this changes. Okay, we will see. So Optimus. So I bought this one the other day and it's already up. I'm up 4.06 bucks already. Okay, I bought this one 2 days ago as well, and I am up 341. But you know, it will go up, it will go down, it will go up, it will go down. Okay, but the main thing is you hold it till you make a considerable amount of money, and you'll be happy with it. Okay, so I bought this one today. Okay, it's down 10%. Okay, so I was like, okay, let me drop 30 bucks on this one. As you can see right here, drop 30 bucks. Okay, this one I bought the other day is down 5.95%, $5. Okay, but no problem at all, because eventually it will pump back up. right? So you just got to be patient, right? So when I do the DCA, I'll come over here to my portfolio and I check the last 24 hours change, and I will buy the ones that are in deep reds. Okay, so I would buy this one if I haven't bought it. I would buy this one, I would buy this one, I would buy Clay, and yeah, that's it. I would leave it as it is. Okay, so I would buy these three right here. Okay, I bought this one. I might buy some more of these because it's down 5.7%, and I'm gonna buy some Clay as well. As long as I have some spare funds, I will invest some. Okay, so probably 30, 60. I need 90 bucks to buy these three coins, but in the long run, I'm hoping to make some money out of these coins. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description below if you want to check the projects and the coins out. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to watch more videos like this, let me know in the comment box below, and I will be making more videos about potential 10x coins. Okay, so stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.